just get into this. Yeah, honestly, still only recognized probability left. Yesterday was so lovely. Last week was so lovely. So coming into today, I didn't take a trade today, but coming today off the daily open, we actually set up nicely for a bi-weekly profile. Off the daily opening price, we swapped out previous day low where we started trading higher off of. That's one thing you gotta look at is once you see something like this happen, you gotta be automatically more bullish on the day because we saw that sell side manipulation occur pre-market before New York session. So this is a key factor in determining your bias on the day. So this right here should give you that bullish bias, unless we already swept out. Let's say we swept out this low and then we sweep out this high, then you would be more neutral. You'd have to see how we play out. But seeing how we swept out previous day low and then start trading higher, that's a clear bullish sign. We also formed this hourly, which supported us higher. And this also is a classic bi-week profile starting. This is Monday. We put in the Monday low. Tuesday takes out that Monday low, the low of the week, and then that supports us higher for the rest of the week. So looking at that, you should automatically be leaning more bullish on the day. And then we just started trading higher. There was no SMT with ES, but at the 9:30 a.m. open, or actually the entirety of the AM session from 8:30 a.m., it literally just ranged in this box all the way until lunch, which is this range. There was like no trade you could have taken. I can't lie. This is one of those days where it's just complete dog shit. This was the AM session. Like I said, I think the only good trade, like I would have looked for longs, probably off the sweep of these lows here, because we put in the equal low with this low here, so automatically you shouldn't, like, there was no SMT with that either, so I wouldn't be looking along that. But this short's not that bad. I wouldn't have shorted this though because this is against my bias. But yeah, we pretty much just ranged. We pretty much formed the AM session near accumulation, and then right here at 2 p.m. we started trading lower, and we actually swept out those lows right here and tapped into a 15-minute right here, which brought us higher on the day, but still pretty weak price delivery. Didn't expand to the AM high or previous day's high. So overall, pretty mid New York session. Honestly, the overnight session was a lot better. Very small New York range. Yo, wait. Let's look at yesterday. This is what. Okay, so I didn't recap yesterday, but let's look at yesterday. So coming into yesterday, pretty much if you're in the call yesterday, I already explained this, but off the daily open, we opened daily, we opened on daily, we traded above it. We had this huge gap here, and we also traded to a daily volume imbalance. I marked that out on Monday. Monday traded into this daily volume imbalance right here. Okay, yeah, so that box right here is that daily volume balance. Monday traded into that. So when you see this, automatically I'm most bearish on the day because we have this huge gap below right here, and pretty much the daily open has no bottom wick. So I was just looking for shorts. And at the 9:30 a.m. open, price sold off, forming this 1 minute gap where actually I shorted. I remember I took a loss yesterday. I went short in this 1 minute gap, got stopped out. Price re-induced this high, and then we actually sold off later towards 10 a.m. with no entries. If we got an entry, I probably would have entered, but there's no entries for shorts as we stepped out the high and just dumped all the way down to my draw, which were these overnight equal lows, and then we actually filled out that whole entire daily gap. Yeah, I'm cooked. I caught a break even right there. I was at work. It's not cooked. But once you get broke even and then you see like you're just getting ranged around, that's when you should be like, all right, I'm not looking to trade anymore today, because that's where you can like blow accounts and just keep trading this range. Right? Bro, my teeth are killing me. What's up, Jet? You said bro, I'm not. Hello, my people. We also had news today, which honestly didn't even do anything. put in this candle wick, but it didn't drive price. We have news coming into tomorrow. We have unemployment claims at 8:30 a.m. and prelim GDP as well as 8:30 a.m. This is also the day before Thanksgiving, so we'll have to see because today was horrible. Hopefully today's not as bad. I mean, tomorrow's not as bad. I hope it's not as bad, but today was pretty shit. I'm gonna end the recording there.